Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we're going to solve how to fix OPPO A5S stuck on logo screen problem. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix OPPO A5S stuck on logo screen problem with 5 best fixes. Solution 1. Perform a soft reset. The first thing you need to do to resolve OPPO A5S stuck on logo issue is soft resetting the phone. So, give a fresh start to your phone and see if that can fix the problem. To do this, unlock the screen of your OPPO phone. Press and hold the power button until a menu appears. Select Restart. Wait for the device to restart. Solution 2. Boot your OPPO phone in safe mode. Booting your device in a safe mode can also help you to fix OPPO A5S stuck on logo. This will disable all the apps running in the background and decrease the operating system function. To do this, you have to press and hold the power button. Then click on the power off option. After that, leave the power button and press the volume down button. Now continue to hold it unless the phone boots up. Solution 3. Check for system software update. Getting the latest software version is always a good idea because new versions bring many new features and bug fixes. So, if a new software version is waiting to be downloaded, just download it. To do this, go to Settings app on your OPPO phone. Then, find and tap on Software Update. After this, tap on Download and Install. Solution 4. Factory Data Reset your OPPO phone. Resetting your OPPO phone to its default settings can also help you to fix OPPO A5S stuck on logo. This will wipe out all data on your phone, so ensure to create a backup of your OPPO phone's data before doing this. For this, open the settings on your OPPO phone. Then go to the additional setting. Now click on the backup and reset. At this time, tap on the Erase All Data option. Finally, click on the Erase All Data button. After doing this, restart your phone. Now, check if the OPPO phone stuck on logo issue is resolved. Solution 5. Use Android Repair Tool. If you are looking for an automatic way to fix OPPO A5S stuck on logo issue, then opt for the Android Repair Tool. This software can solve Android system errors and issues, like the phone being stuck in a boot loop, update failure issues, and many more. So, if you want to try this software, then click on the link given in the description box below. So, this is all about solving OPPO A5S stuck on logo screen problem. If you found this video useful, then give it a like and subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.